Hello guys, this is I forgot, God, I already beat that. I was struggling there. I had to, it's like, I have to keep doing that for like 15, for like 3, 3, wait! Never see it Okay, I know what. Okay, this thing I have to like hop there. I have to like go there to chop and chop. You never see it coming. You see that my mind is too fast for a ride. You're done. I swear, if I hit that again, I'm going to scream on top of my lungs. Yes, I'm going to scream on top of my lungs. I'm going to scream on top of my lungs if I hit that again. Jesus. Please. After 1, 2. Okay. You never see it coming. I'm in rage. I got killed by the air. By the explosion. Oh, I hit it. With like sun. You never see it coming. You see that my mind is too fast for a ride. You're done. Let me teach you, you're not surprised. See that guy just died. I managed to beat the wall. I hate this game. 1, 2. You never see it coming. I didn't even get. There's, yeah, that's how many deaths. Items, lucky items. You never see it coming. You see supposed to run. Yeah, I never see it coming. This way, Bojo expired. Ah! I just double jumped to dodge. It went backwards! This, I'm going to continue. I'm going to continue one of my videos. Continue one of my videos. I'm getting rich by this. No, Badingo. Why am I sparkles like I'm I might beat this at the next year. Yeah, I might beat this at the next year. I played this in my old account. You never see it. Did I touch the hitbox? Did I hit the hitbox? I don't know. I hit it. You know what? I'm gonna go backwards. I have no words to say.